Hi guys, before we start today's lesson, I just wanted to thank Seth Owusu for pointing out something, right? So last week in my video or in my lesson, when I actually translated the sentence lower the fire, I said dum ejano kakra. That's still fine because dum in Chi is switch off or turn off. Eja is fire. The no represents that's fire. Kakra is a bit, which is turn off the fire a bit. But in Chi, we understand it as lower the fire, right? Now, what Seth did was he actually reminded me of a word that actually represents the word reduce in Chi, right? And the word is jum. So instead of dum, you can say jum ejano kakra, which is reduce or lower the fire, right? So that's what I wanted to point out. So with that, guys, let's start today's lesson. So hi guys, welcome back. Thanks for bearing with me. Welcome to Learning TWI, the fun with TWI Junior Pro. My name is Kwesi, and for today's lesson, I just want to thank Afare again for coming through and sending me comments, right? Like I usually say, guys, you know what? If you want me to translate anything, just go to my comments section. Post whatever you need there. What I usually do is I send out the translation on that very same day, or whenever I see it, right? I send it out. Then in my next video, what I'll do is I'll voice out the translation so you hear how it actually sounds in Chi. So for all those that have done that in the past, I really appreciate it. And Afare, you've been my #1 star. So dude, thank you so much. I really appreciate all your support. So let's start off with what Afare wanted me to translate. So the first thing that Afare wanted me to translate was, when the rice is done cooking, remove it from the stove. So in Chi, that can be said as, se emuno binia tue firi eja noso. Se emuno binia tue firi eja noso. So se in this case represents when. Emu is rice. No is that specific rice. Binia is basically saying done cooking. Tue in Chi is take off or remove. Free is from. Eja is fire. Noso is on top of the fire, right? So in this case, on top of the fire represents the stove. So the sentence again is, Semono binia tue free eja noso. So the next thing that Afare wanted to know was, I have removed the rice from the stove. In Chi, that sentence is, Matue emununu efri ejanoso, which is, I have removed the rice from the stove. Matue is, I have removed. Emunu is rice. No is that specific rice. Efri, from. Eja is fire. Noso is on top of the fire. So the sentence again is, Matue emununu efri ejanoso. The last thing that Afare wanted me to translate was, stir the food before it burns. The Chi translation for that is, num aduane no mu na anhye. Num is stir. Aduane is food. Numu is inside the food. So I'm saying stir inside the food. Na anhye. So it doesn't burn. She is burn. Na anhye. So it doesn't burn. So the sentence again, or the translation again, is num aduane no mu na anhye, which is stir the food before it burns. So I added one more sentence, right? So what I added was, the food is finished, or the food is done, or the food is complete. In Chi, that can be said as aduane no aben, or aduane no ɛwie. Aduane no aben, or aduane no ɛwie. So guys, those are the translations for today. And again, thank you. Thank you for everyone who keeps on sending me comments for me to translate. Like I said, guys, please go to the comment section and write whatever you need to translate. I'll translate them. Then the following week or the following video, I'll voice it out, right? The next thing is the COVID-19 virus, right? Remember, it's not about you, it's about the next person. So please stay indoors unless you need to go get food supplies or for medical services, right? If you need help medically, right? The other thing is, guys, with the TWI Junior Pro app, right? It's on Google Store. Please get that app. It's less than $1. With that and this, you learn the language quicker. And it will be on your phone. So wherever you go, you'll have it on your phone. You can access it whenever and wherever you are. So remember, it does need internet access. I made sure that I have everything bundled up in the app. So once you get the app, wherever you go, you'll have it, right? You don't need to access the internet, right? And guys, thanks again for all your support. The numbers are going up. I'm trying to reach 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year, right? So if you can, please spread the word. Let everyone who's interested in learning the language Twi come to this channel and also download the Twi Junior Pro app, which will help them in the learning process, right? And guys, if you like the content of these videos, right, please click on the like button, click on the subscribe button, and click on the bell button for future notifications, right? So clicking on the bell button actually notifies you whenever I push out a new video, which makes it easier for you to know if I've released something new, then you'll actually watch it, right? So with that, guys, see you next week with lots of love from Kwesi. Bye.